George Real Fan, and today we're here to check out the 4th of July update in Real Sim Universe re-release. By the way, if y'all didn't see my post, this is now permanently free. I actually see there's a lot of people doing this right now. So let's just jump into a random map, I don't know. So we have to find 18 flags in the map, which I think I already, so they're in this map here, so we're gonna find the first one. And we get a reward of some kind. I think it's, it's right there. Okay, that's the first one. That's the first one. Now, let's find the second one. There's a sneak peek of the train. I'm not gonna try to spoil it as much as I can. I will drive the train after I'm done finding all the flags. I have to, so to do camera view, you have to do shift and F at the same time. Okay, so I found the second flag, which is over here. By the way, this does not end around, August 1st, I think. Yeah, it's August 1st. Okay, let's go to here. Okay, let's find the third flag, which I think is over in here. To Okalaka. I think there's one up here too. Nope, I was wrong. At the beginning it was. Let's go back to camera view again. Where is the flag? Where's 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 the flag? It's behind the building. Alright, that's another flag, so we need to head to Golden Glades. I think that's a dev, I think. Where is the flag? Is it behind the building? No, it's not. Spoiler alert. No, I don't think anyone will go there. I don't think those were put there. Behind the trash can. I am so blind right now. Okay. Now we need to head to Hollywood. With another flag. There's another train. I'm gonna try my best to it's behind a, like a trash can or something. It's in here. It is in there. Okay, that's another flag. Now I need to head to Sugar Street. I'm gonna try to do a camera view here. Yeah, alright, there it is. Behind a station pole. I guess a cylinder or something, I don't know. And that's another one. Full Lauderdale Airport. Okay. The other flag should be around here somewhere. Is it a parking garage? I'm gonna go floor by floor. Is it probably a river crossing or something? I thought it's right there. I see the red. That was that's not a bad hiding spot actually. If I can find it again, there it is. Fort Lauderdale, which is already on here anyway. Where's the other flag? Isn't it one of these buildings?
Northbound train. Boarding on track 1, 2, West Palm Beach is arriving in approximately 1 minute.
Is it in the building? I do not know how I guessed that. I should check the building in the first place. I personally don't know why I did that. Why can't I get off the chair? There, finally. Alright, Cypress Creek is next. I think nope, that wasn't it. Is it behind the elevator? That'd be a good hiding spot. No, it's not. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. Where is the flag? Where is the flag? Is it like in a building or something? If it was right there, I would be mad about that because there's no way I can get to there. I do not know how... That actually kind of blends in a little bit. I don't know if that blends into you all, but it kind of does for me. Because it's literally, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Really Other station, oh my gosh. I can't talk today. Is it behind a... Is it on a... I think they keep it in the station. I see a glow. It's on the stairs. Pompano Beach, Deerfield. My guess it's gonna be in here somewhere. I have no clue how I guessed that correctly. Boca Raton now. think I kind of see it. No, that's not it. I thought I saw a red glow, which would have been the flag, but nope, it was not. Let's try to find. Where is the flag? Is it behind here? Oh, that. Oh my gosh, that's kind of funny, actually. Del Rey. Right off the bat, I saw the glow when I literally just turned my mouse. I didn't need to get for that. So, Boca Raton, Del Rey, Boynton Beach. Okay. Trying to do okay, it's literally in the parking lot. That looked like a red pole for a second, but I knew it was the flag. Okay. Okay, now we need to go to Lake Worth. Lake Worth. Where's the... yeah, I already see it. Okay. Got the other flag. Now we need to do West Palm. Is it in here? So far at the beginning, I wasn't too sure if it was in... Right as I was literally talking and passing it, I just saw it with the corner of my eye. Like, I physically do not understand how I guessed that. Where is the thing? Where is it? Oh, I thought that was the flag. I would see a red glow by now. I wondered why I was stopped there for a second. I was just sitting on a bench. That was interesting. I think it's when you go up the stairs. I think. Because I do technically want to find this last flag. Thing down here? No. Well, that would have... Oh, I thought I was stuck there forever. I was like, oh no. It's right there, behind the door. There we go! I found all the flags and I got 25,000 credits. Now, let's check out the train. Check out the American train, which is only this one. Let's get this purchased. This thingy. Alright, is that all? Yeah. Okay, so where's the American train? Here it is. Alright, let's give this little baby a test drive.
Northbound train. On track 3, 2, West Palm Beach is now arriving.
No, I think it's just the bottom. This is pretty cool. We have I see they had some indicators before they didn't have it. This is cool. This is the new dining car. Holy moly, this is sweet. This is a sweet thing. Holy moly. They added the coach cars. Still pretty much the same. Horn and bell sound the same. I think you can find it in the Dolda trains. Which, by the way, you have to have a game pass for this. I'll be driving this in a little while. So it's these two right here. The coach, the new dining car is... Oh, I didn't realize I also get this thing too. Here's the new dining car. That is actually pretty sick. I'm gonna run this for a little bit. Okay. We have a lot of stations. I'm just gonna go south. yes, I have heard about the Amtrak. And I've seen I've been waiting but the only spot I know on the Amtrak is East Coast nothing you can hear about the controls.
Southbound train. Boarding on track 2 to Miami Airport is now arriving.
I'm gonna pull up a little more spoilers. When I do the brake, you hear that? Yeah, that's the brakes they do in real life, which is pretty cool actually. Until I get to when I get to the last coach car. When you're pulling into a station, you have to have the bell on and yeah, toot the horn. Okay. Alright. So, oh, you heard that whoop sound? Yeah, that's the brakes.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard a train to Miami.
this is the Miami rebuild demo, which is for alpha supporters only, along with this one, which is the Toledo conductor, along with for alpha supporters only, because, yeah. I am an alpha supporter, so I'm not going to go inside, because it's just going to have some dead giveaways to you all, and I don't want to just spoil it. Oh my gosh. That was extremely fast. Oh, I can literally see nothing when you do that, at all. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to complete the obby, since I had never shown you guys before. So you just jump here, you kind of have to run without falling, technically. Ah! What is happening? Oh my gosh, can we stop? When I first did this obby, it really frustrated me because, because it was so, like, difficult. But I figured out how to do it. Oh my gosh, I almost didn't make it. Holy moly. Oh. Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. Okay, thank you, good. And then, jump! Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can kind of see the basics. I'm not going to show you any further because it's just going to frustrate. Actually, I'm going to try one more time. Okay, I'm going to try without falling. You can hear the fireworks in the background of the game. This update released about probably like 30 minutes ago, probably. If I had to guess. Oh my gosh, I almost didn't make it. Okay. Okay, this is a start at least. Okay. Looks like that person's having some bit of struggle. Oh my gosh. If I had to redo that whole thing again, I would be mad. This train is going as literally as fast as it can. It was never actually this is the new train. Yeah, this is the new train. Okay. But I have to show you something else. Oh my gosh, why can't I get... Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna end somewhere in the video now. Probably in the video at around here somewhere. Where should I do it? Oh, right here. This is actually a very good spot. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give this a thumbs up, and I'll be continuing with more videos. And until then, make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, watch more videos. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Bye!